Number 3, changing the IT system won't change a company's information culture. The presence of technology in and of itself cannot wholly transform a corporation. So changing a company's information culture requires altering the basic behaviors, attitudes, values, and management expectations, and the incentives that relate to information. So you need to have a reason to share information. You need to be incentivized to share information. Yet in most companies, many managers still believe that once the right technology is in place, the appropriate information sharing behavior will inevitably follow. I think it's more down to behavioral scientists, management scientists, than the systems technologist and the computer scientist or the software developer and so on. If you want to change information use and if you want to integrate systems effectively.